Debbie Love, what is going on with the arm? Talk to us about what has happened.
I'll tell you what, nice, huh?
Yeah.
It'd be nice
It
to
is
me.
pretty.
It's pretty hard, too. I took a tumble, and, you know, it happens. And after I did it, I thought, oh, it's no big thing. And then the next morning I found out it was a big thing. So I just broke my wrist, and Dr. Knox knows me a little too well and said that I'm a little too active. So he wanted it to go all the way up. So, you know, but it can happen. So just, you know, I try to teach people how to be careful, and I wasn't careful. I did a goofy thing, so.
Do as you say, not as you do.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't be my, please don't do what I do, yeah.
Slow down. I think all of us, especially since you are the coordinator for the Center on Aging, that we do those things that we just don't realize that we can't do them quite as safely
Yep.
as we once did.
Yep.
I mean, when my husband sees me getting a ladder or a step stool out, he's like, "What
Whoa.
are you doing?
Yep.
What are you doing?"
Whoa.
So,
Yep.
yeah.
Yeah, and I did a goofy thing. I was telling everybody I have 5 dogs, and I put dog gates up so they don't go upstairs and sneak a
Right.
pee or whatever on me. And normally I pick them up and move them. This time I decided I could climb over it. Not so much.
Oh dear.
So,
Oh dear.
oh well.
See, and that's all it takes is one simple.
One little slip.
Yeah.
One little slip.
Yeah.
So it'll be fine.
Yeah.
And the greatest thing is you get to pick out the color of your cast. So.
Pretty well coordinated.
Yeah.
Well, a little
I'm
bit.
bummed you didn't get the camo.
Yeah, they did have camo there. You're right. Yeah, and I was like, not so much. I didn't want to hang my arm out of the car and get shot.
Oh, besides your arm and wrist,
Yeah.
what's going on over at Maruck?
Well, we have all kinds of programs, as always. We in July will be bringing in Dr. Newman,
Yay.
taking care of aging skin.
Okay, plastic
Which-
surgeon here in town. Great.
Great guy,
Yeah.
great guy. If you haven't signed up, sign up. It's all free. Remember, all the programs that we do are free, so you want to do that. Everybody's favorite subject, Dr. Decker, is going to come in August and talk about kidney stones. If you've ever had them, you know that they're, and I've had them,
Pretty darn
they're pretty darn painful.
You bet.
Yeah, so we'll let him talk about some ways that you might prevent them. I know one of the things that, in my case, I did was I drank too much soda and not enough water, and the soda created the
Really?
kidney stones. Yeah.
Yep.
And this
Yep.
was diet soda? Or-
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Really?
Yeah.
Had never heard of that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Builds up in the kidneys.
Okay.
Yep. Lots of stuff in stuff, as I like to say. Read the ingredients.
Yeah.
I was young and stupid then, unlike I am now. So
Moving slower then,
moving
yeah.
slower, yeah. We're also going to do shingles in September with Dr. King. That's a tough one. If
Sure.
you've had shingles, you know how very painful they are.
And how long
And
it lasts.
for a long time.
Yeah.
There is a shot out you can get, and I know it's pricey, but at a few years ago I went ahead and got it, even
Yeah.
though I wasn't quite old enough. The doctors encouraged me to go ahead and do that because I had I saw my father go through and suffer. He got it around his waist. Which was
Ooh.
very, very awful. So just one of those things you want to watch out for.
Sure.
And it happens. Memory loss.
What?
Huh?
Sorry. I couldn't resist.
I know.
With you too, I
know.
tell you.
Well, and Marie Thompson does a wonderful job, and she'll be coming in to do that. So we have a lot of good programs coming up. We also do AARP safe driving.
Oh.
And
good
if
deal.
you are 50 or over and you come to class, you can get a substantial discount on your insurance.
Oh, that'd be great.
Wow.
And Paul Maruck was just awarded an award because he has one of the most sought-after classes in the state of Arkansas. We fill him up.
He teaches the class?
He teaches the class.
nice.
Yep.
Great.
Ex-Memphis policeman, and he's very into it and very attuned to it. So
Gives you some great tips.
great
Yeah,
tips.
because I know
yeah.
our peripheral vision starts
Right.
to go, and
Right.
some certain things you can do to correct when you're driving. And
Yep.
all sorts of really good tips.
And one more thing that I see happening is Parkinson's, unfortunately, is growing, and so is Alzheimer's.
Oh, wow.
So we have support groups for both of those. You don't have to call, just show up. We'll take care of you. To sidetrack a little bit, the last support group we did for Alzheimer's, there was a couple that just moved from Houston to care for mom and dad, and 2 brothers that moved from Las Vegas.
Wow.
That's a cultural change.
Sure,
So
absolutely.
they can come in and we can give them access to resources in the area and things that they can do. And
Good, yeah. Hook them up.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're one-stop shopping.
Yeah.
That's for sure. I
Yeah.
know we always call upon you when
yeah, we try to get
anyone
them hooked
needs
up.
even
Yeah.
information now for private option.
Right. Yep.
You're still able to give
We're
people
still able
information.
to try to go in there and get you the best deal we can on insurance if you don't have it.
Yeah.
So we'll
Yeah.
work with you.
Yeah, I know you will.
We will.
So, and now that you've slowed down, you'll work
Yeah.
with folks
Yeah.
even
Now
more.
I can yell louder now. When they tell me the premiums and I go, no, I don't think that's going to work.
No, Debbie will absolutely get you the
We'll
best
fight for it.
price out there.
We'll
Yeah.
fight for it, yeah.
Yeah.
So we're having a good time.
So, and that's great to know. I mean, all of these different things, I think sometimes people think, I'm not sure what they think about the community houses, that they're just so specific for, we
Right.
do have the Pikes Cancer Support House, but that covers every cancer that's out there.
Absolutely.
And you get to Rappel Diabetes Learning Center, and they do things all over the county and
Yep.
other counties. So,
Yep.
I mean, it's not just for the Baxter County Mountain Home area, so,
We cover
Yeah.
9 counties now,
yeah.
so it keeps us
Busy.
moving and grooving.
Yeah, and overall as the hospital, we cover 14, so we know that those people are coming from all over. So,
Right.
it's important for you to understand what it is that we have available to you for
Absolutely,
resources.
yeah.
So,
And, our philosophy, my philosophy and our philosophy at the house is if we don't know the answer to your question, we're going to find
it
out.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
We will go after it, so
Yep.
don't hesitate in calling. We've got some youngsters, as I call them, that are in their 30s that we're helping right now. So,
Nice.
but our philosophy is if you walk in the door and you're looking for help, if it's for yourself or for anybody else, that's what we're there for.
Right.
So we will
find you the right resources.
go
for the
after
right,
it for you.
bet.
Yep,
Yeah,
absolutely.
I'm so glad.
Yeah.
We need that so desperately
Yep.
in this area.
We have a lot of fun. Yep.
Yeah, I know you
I
do.
think when
You
I
make it
hang up
fun.
the phone, they don't think it was so much fun. but-
We have our tenacious bulldog
That's
over
right.
here.
Yeah, you got to go after it. There's lots of things out there that we don't know about.
Yeah.
That once I discover, I like to. There's lots of things for the VA, and I know that that's not the most positive thing right now. But there are lots of programs out there for veterans that are not known. And I've got, if you're a veteran and you need some help, don't hesitate in calling us. We'll help you out because lots of programs out there.
Would you tell everybody the phone number to call and where you're located?
Absolutely. It's 508-3880, and we are right across from Baxter Regional Medical Center. There's a big parking lot, and then there's a row of houses, and we're right in the middle.
With lots of good signage, so you can't
Yeah,
miss
walk
it.
in at any time, and we have lots of wonderful volunteers who will help you as well.
Yep. And the houses are always open 9 to 4, Monday through Friday. So
Yep.
do not miss out on any
Yep.
of that.
Absolutely. Yep.
Thanks.
My
All right.
pleasure.
All right. And Miss Jaren,
Yes.
I hear that I've been hearing around town, Golden
Yes.
Girls Night Out was,
Yes.
or Day Out was great.
It was our
Yeah.
Golden Girls Day Out. We had a great turnout.
Good.
Some yummy treats from the Blackbird Cafe. That was sponsored by the Senior Health Insurance.
Oh, that was very nice of them to do that.
Yes, very generous. And we had Dr. Whitney McFall and Deborah Baker, the audiologist, and Heather Martin, our certified athletic trainer.
Oh, and Heather
So-
makes things such fun.
Yeah.
She just gets everybody going.
Yep. So we had a good old time. And then the following night, we had our Working Women in the Know at Restore by King Dermatology, and another fabulous event, wine and cheese, and learned about skincare during menopause. So
Which is, that's
Wonderful.
timely for and very appropriate for
Wonderful.
this
Yeah.
area, that's sure. Yeah, because some of us have kind of figured you can't do much with it. And then
they had a lot of options.
Yes,
Yep.
they absolutely do. Yep, they absolutely did.
We
They
a
had some
fun
good
time.
Yeah.
Fun time. We're looking forward to July.
What's going on in July?
Well, in July, July 1st, right before the holiday, we're going to have another learning session, and it is featuring Lindsay Harden, who is a certified natural food specialist, and she's going to speak on healthy summer entertaining. So get us all geared up for the holiday and show us how to put together some healthy appetizers and
Things that really
refreshments.
still taste good.
Oh,
That's-
yes.
That's what
Right.
people
Oh, yes.
don't
Right.
always realize is you're talking about healthy does not mean bland.
Right.
It's not synonymous with
Definitely.
bland. So
That's going to be sponsored by the Truck Patch, so we'll also have some nice organic
Oh,
food.
great.
fun.
So
Yeah.
yeah. So we're excited about that. And then we also have a new mommy meet and greet on the 15th.
Oh.
So this is to it's a networking opportunity for all of our new moms with kids that are babies, newborn to 2 years old, toddlers, and just to kind of hook them up and so they can develop friendships. And a lot of times new mommies have questions, what to do, is this normal, am I doing things right? So by having this little network of other moms, they'll be able to
And it's great
encourage
to do
each
that.
other.
I just had a story this morning in regards to that. A new mom,
Okay.
family member.
Yeah. Oh.
Grandma was gone and Dad was gone, and new mom had recently stopped breastfeeding and had gone to
Formula
a
or-
formula. Okay, and the old projectile vomiting that when you've had children or about
Yeah.
children, it happens. It's mom panicked.
Yes.
We've got to go to the ER.
Oh, bless
It's
her
like,
heart.
no. Now, if she'd had a support group right there like that, she could have called one of her friends and
Exactly.
said, has your baby ever done this? And-
Exactly. Or
yeah.
send them a little text or Facebook
Yeah.
message,
Yeah.
whatever it takes to
Yeah, silly
find
me to
out.
say call.
Where are you?
Yeah, well.
So, yep, we're excited. And also at our new mommy meet and greet on the 15th, they're going to get a sneak peek to our boutique liquidation sale. So we're going to have up to 75% off.
Wow.
Lots of name brand breastfeeding bras and panties, and we've also got Medela breast pumps, accessories, and just random little nursery items like changing pads and burp cloths. And so
Are you going to open this up to the public
we
at
will.
some point?
Yes, we will. That will be on July 21st and 22nd.
Oh, that's great. We'll have that up on Facebook
Yep,
for you.
9 to
and-
4.
yeah.
So
That's
really good
great.
deals. Yes.
75% off, you betcha.
Yes.
Wow.
So we've
Yeah.
got lots of fun things.
All
So we're
right.
excited.
Yeah, it's going to be a
Busy.
busy summer. It was kind of a slow winter, but
Yes.
With all the
Yes.
bad weather.
The weather was like,
Yeah.
ooh.
So yeah, everybody's excited to get up and around.
Yeah. Well, Debbie, I know you're going to leave us during the break, but I want to thank you for being
Thank
here
you for
today.
having me,
All
as
right.
always.
And once again, the number for
508-3880. We're there from 9 to 4. Actually, we're there from earlier than that,
That-
till later than that.
well,
but
yeah,
I'm not
yeah.
going to tell you that.
All right. Come back and see us again real
Thank
soon.
you. Thank
All
you
right.
for having me.
All right. Don't go away. We'll be back in just a moment after a short commercial break.